Okay, so taping, leveling, and polishing the fingerboard. That's the order for today. Let's get this up on my ghetto rig here, just to keep this off the table. As you can see, it's a fretboard. This nice trusty tape deck that is slightly off camera. Let's see if I can do this without screwing everything up. Can't see where my... Here it is. There's the tape deck from StuMac. I don't know if you can see the label. Oh. Anyway, please just go right back where you were. Beautiful. Okay, so first things first, we gotta protect the fretboard from detritus and what have you in the process of taping. So in the process of finishing the fretboard. So because of the stuff I'm planning on doing, I'm going to not only use protectors, but I'm also going to use tape to give an extra added layer of protection. There's going to be, I have a little metal clips that I'd also purchased that cover over the fretboard and leave the fret exposed. And while I'm polishing, those will help protect the fretboard. But any shavings or anything like that, I don't want them getting onto the fretboard and then potentially harming the fretboard. So there's that. Now, once I get one of these done, it'll probably be a bunch of fast forward on the video, which I wish I had like a Benny Hill track to play over while I'm doing this. But I don't, so alas, we just have to deal with it. And because, you know, music industry is all full of copyright, I'm not going to play any music while I'm doing this, because I don't want to have someone take away all the audio. So this is pretty much the deal, what I'm going with here. And then I'll have that going up the entire fretboard, and as these get wider, I will use the wider pieces of tape to cover the larger areas, the wider fret areas. Okay, so now I'm going to do this, and from this point on, you're probably not going to hear much from me because I'm going to fast forward the hell out of it. lighting that I got going on here for this video making stuff. It's really not so bad in real life, but you know, as far as the video is concerned, the dark spots are horrendous. Let's see if I do this. Alright, there we go. Alright, there she is. She is all taped up. Then I'm going to tape up the inlay here to make sure I protect that as well. Or not the inlay, the edging, whatever it's called. But, there we go. There's a nice view of it. All nice, taped up. Inlay's protected, the rosewood is protected. And then we're just going to protect that edging on either side. And should be ready to start rocking and rolling. It's only been 30 minutes since I started the video, so I guess. Okay, so here we have it. Fully covered inlay. And fully covered fretboard. All the trim is covered. We're ready to polish. Let me, go straight up and down. There we go. Isn't that nice? Beautiful. Even taping. No gaps, no spaces, no avenue for any material to get in and disturb the beautiful finished work that this came with. And I'm going to get ready to start polishing frets. That'll be the next shoot. Doot doot doot. Doot doot doot. Sanding block, sandpaper. Okay, fret erasers. 220 grand. So we're aware this is a whole lot of this going on, so I might end up cutting video out. Hang on, I gotta get this thing back on charge again. Ugh, this takes a while. It's interesting. Alright, just wanted to update video here, where I'm at. It's pretty obvious where I stopped and where, not by this, because this is just where my hand is, but if you take a look, let's turn this bad boy sideways. Shiny, 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 and then it starts getting dull. So, yeah, the fret polishing works. Everything's all nice and even. Got a nice even luster on the frets up until fret number 8, and I'm back to work for me. But there we go. That's what we're going for here. Nice shiny frets, nice smooth frets, no tool marks. That's the fret erasers at work. My cats are performing mutiny right now. I'm just gonna let you know because they can't be up all on top of me. But, yeah, well, with all this stuff around, I don't want them deciding they need to chew and stuff. Alright, back to work. Instead of doing, fast forward video, I'm just gonna do this stuff without video because I'm shaking the table so much I knocked the camera off the table before, and I don't want to end up breaking the camera because it's my preferred form of video recording rather than my phone. Alright, so here we are at the halfway point. 11 frets done. Oh, look at that, nice, shiny. Ooh, nice and even. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Does it make you horny, baby? Yeah, baby. Alright, I'm done. And here she is, the quasi-finished product. Here, let me get you some light involved in there. There's some artwork by Anya Khan. I can never tell if I'm pronouncing her name properly because she's never told me how to. But there we go. Shiny frets, shiny frets. These frets, they are so shiny. They're also completely straight. Nice, flat, even. No tool marks. Even did up the sides like I'm supposed to. Alright, so I am right now at a standstill until we get further with the art part of the project, the body. Thank you for watching, and check back when we do the build. I'll do the build on the table here so that we can videotape the whole process. Of course, there'll be some fast forward like there was when I was doing the taping. There'll be some skip parts, like when I was doing the sanding and polishing of the frets, because, well, let's be honest, this is not the most exciting work. But it's something that needs to be done, and when it's done right, you can even see there's still some grit left on the tape itself, a little bit here, I think. It's either that or I'm seeing things because I've been looking at the grit the entire time and all that stuff, but yeah, there's still a little grit, stuck in between the tape layers, which is fine. That's why we tape. We tape to protect. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.